Hello, everyone. Mr. Kisnick still here with you. So we're still in section 03 from the Algebra 1 book. I know you guys don't have them. We didn't want you guys to worry about holding on to them because we're going to stick with mostly delta math. Um, this is about identifying fractions, and it's also about getting used to a little more advanced stuff and how to type stuff in delta math, um, and what the questions will look like. Okay, so in this, they're asking you to express the shaded area as a single fraction and as a mixed number. Okay, so first, let's count all the pieces in one of these. They're all however many circles you have or pie charts like this, they're always going to be divided into the same amount. So it's not like this one's going to be divided into 12 and that one's going to be divided into 7. No, they're not going to do that. So let's count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these have 12 pieces. So you have 12 out of 12 because all 12 are shaded. This is also going to be 12 out of 12 because they're all shaded. But this, I'm 3 short of having all 12. So that means this is 9 out of 12. And you're going to add these together. And when you add fractions that have the same denominator, you just take care of business in the numerator. So 12 plus 12 plus 9 over 12. Okay? 24 plus 9. So that's going to be 33 twelfths. And that's what you'd write in here, 33 twelfths. Now, how do you type this into delta math? Like, where's the fraction key? You don't need it. Use the diagonal bar that you have on your keyboard. So in other words, type in 33, the diagonal, and the 12. And there it is, 33 twelfths. That's how you can type it in. Now they're going to want it as a mixed number. I'm not asking you guys to go back and convert this. And if you want, some ways it's going to be easier if you find the mixed number first. I'm just doing it literally in the order they gave it to you. Okay, we could do what we just did before. 12 divides into 33 twice with 9 left over. And I know I went fast on that, but I'm going to show you an easier way. This is, let me change color. This is a full circle, so you have one of them. You have another full one, so you got another one. So far you have 2 full circles. Then you have 9 out of 12. So then 2 and 9 twelfths. Okay. I'll show you doing that, finding this number, finding the mixed first. I'll do that on the next screen. Okay. So I've got a full one, another full one, and another full one. So I've got 3. I've got 3 full ones. So I'm going for the mixed number first. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. I have 2 out of the 7. So this would be 3 and 2 sevenths. Now, going from mixed to an improper fraction, remember you just go 3 times 7 is 21, plus the numerator, and it's still all over 7. So 23 sevenths is going to be this answer. I think it's easier to find the mixed number first, just by counting these as whole. I've got 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, so I've got 3. And then 2 sevenths. Now, if you wanted to find this one first, I'm not trying to confuse you by showing you different ways to do it. I'm just, sometimes people like doing it differently. We counted up, we had 7 of them. So I got 7 over 7. We got 7 over 7 again. We got 7 over 7 again. And then I've got 2 out of 7. When you're going to add fractions, you ignore the denominators and just take care of business in the numerators. These are the numerators. So I've got 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 over 7 that's on the bottom. There's 14 and 21 and 2 make 23 sevenths. So 23 sevenths. Okay. And then you could break it down going to a improper to mixed, just like we did in the previous assignments. Again, I'm not trying to rush, nor am I trying to confuse you by showing you two different ways. Sometimes people like to see it in more than one way. 7 goes into 23 3 times with 2 left over. 3 and 2 sevens. Okay? Look at Delta Math for the assignment. That's section 03, the third one. And that's what your homework assignment is. Thank you guys for your time. I really do appreciate it. Looking forward to seeing you in class.